this, Daddy?
I've just tidied the attic. All this is to be thrown away.
Let's see what I can find. Oh, my duck! I used to play with this when I was younger. But you're dirty. I'll give you a wash. You're clean now. Come on, let's go play outside. Here we go, little quack quack. I've got an idea. Quack quack.
Huh?
Quack quack, quack quack.
Well, what do we have in the garden then?
I fooled Mummy. She thinks that it's a real duck.
Oh, look, there's a cute little duck. Oh, you found your old quack quack.
Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack
Oh, that
quack.
makes a really great castle, Lily.
Quack 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 quack. Quack.
Are you a duck, Tro-Tro?
Quack quack.
Can't you talk anymore?
Quack quack.
And listen to this.
Quack quack.
Shall we pretend to be an orchestra? Listen.
All right.
We're making great music.
Yes, we're very loud.
Huh?
Hey there, Birdie. You're singing our song. Great, well done. And now we have to take a bow. That was Tro-Tro's Orchestra of Friends. Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Tro-Tro.
I'm hungry. So, what shall I eat this morning? Some cereal. Oh, look, Daddy, there's a little present. It's a whistle.
Oh, what was that?
My new whistle.
Tro-Tro, finish your breakfast first and then you can play with your whistle outside.
Okay, Daddy. Attention, please. The train is about to leave. Choo, 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 choo. Choo, 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 choo. Whew, it's tiring being a train. Oh, look, a birdie. I'll answer him back. Oh no, Mr. Bird. Please stay a little longer. Oh well, never mind. The train is starting off again. Look, there's Lily and Zoe on their bikes. Stop, please. I'm Tro-Tro, the new traffic officer. Come on through. Stop.
Hey, I want to come through too.
But I'm the policeman, and so I decide. Come through.
Tro-Tro, can I play at whistling with you?
Okay, come on. I've got a great game. It's called 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh no!
You lost, Lily. Your turn, Zoe. 1, 2.
Got you, Tro-Tro! I won!
Well played, Zoe. Shall we have another game?
Okay, Tro-Tro, but as I won the last game, it's my turn to blow the whistle.
No, it's my whistle. I blow it. If you don't lend us your whistle, Tro-Tro, then we'll go. Wait! You can have a race and I can start you off with my whistle. Okay, Tro-Tro. On your marks, get set! Hey, wait for me! Zoe, Lily, come back! Next time I'll lend you my whistle. Wow, boo, boo! I'm a little monster! Wow! Oh. Boo! I am the strongest of the little monsters. Wow! Wow! I've got an idea. And there we are, my pretty castle. Boo! Stop me, Tro-Tro. Ha ha! I am the little monster. Grah! And you broke my castle as well. You are naughty. Of course I am. I am the naughtiest of the little monsters. Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! It's me, the nastiest of the little monsters!
And I know a nasty little monster who won't have any cake if his mummy runs out of eggs.
Monsters don't eat cakes! Boo!
What's that?
It's me, the little monster! Grrr!
Oh, and what if I caught the little monster?
How? It's really great being a little monster. Everybody's afraid of me. Growl! Growl! Boo! Okay, who shall I scare now? Ah! A spider! Help! Mummy! Mummy! Help!
But what's the matter? Why are you so scared?
In the garden! There's a huge spider!
Oh, my little Tro-Tro. There's nothing to be afraid of. Little animals like that don't eat little monsters.
I suppose so. Well, I don't want to be a little monster anymore, so now I can eat all the cake I want. Today I am a musician. Listen to this, everyone. I'm going to play the accordion. Do, mi, sol. Yeah, great! It's easy. I push it in. I pull. I push. I pull. Swang, swang. This is fun, this music. Swang, 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 swang. Don't go away. This performance isn't over yet. Ta-ra-ta-ta! The trumpet! I love that! You have to blow inside really hard. And blow harder. Did everyone like that? Thank you, thank you. Oh, playing music music is tiring. But I still want to carry on playing music. Have you got any ideas? Of course! What a good idea! Thank you! Ha! This time I can make even more noise! Oh, what a lovely saucepan! That would make a great drum. Boom, bada boom! Ha! Boom, bada boom, boom, bada boom, boom, bada boom, boom, bada boom, 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 bada boom, 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 boom.
Hey, Tro-Tro.
I can play well, can't I, Mummy? You're right. Something's missing. Some spoons. Used as drumsticks. Boom! Boom, boom, baba doom! Boom, bada boom, boom, bada boom, boom! Boom, bada boom, boom, bada boom, boom, bada boom, boom, bada boom!
Well done, Tro-Tro. You can play the drums really well.
Troto's music is really loud! Oh. Why have you woken me up, Birdie? You're very naughty. Mummy! Mummy! Mummy!
Hello, my little Tro-Tro.
Oh,
Did you sleep well? Mwah.
where's Mummy?
Mummy's gone to work. Can you get dressed, please, and come and have your breakfast?
Teddy, where are you? Daddy, Daddy! I've lost Teddy!
Look under your duvet, then.
Why did you hide? You're naughty. There, that'll teach you. Naughty sock. Did you make my chocolate like Mummy does?
Now, don't worry. Mummy showed me just how to make it. Drink up, Tro-Tro.
Ah! My bowl's too hot.
Blow on it. That'll cool it down.
No, I'm going to play a little while I wait. Oh no, my tower! Daddy! Daddy! It's fallen down.
Oh, Tro-Tro, do you know why your tower fell down? Because you're far too sleepy to build a tower and need to go back to bed.
Oh, listen, Teddy. That little bird sings really well. Those silly little socks, they don't even match. Ooh, where are you hiding, little socky? Come out. I found you. Hello, Daddy dear. I'm going to drink my chocolate. My daddy's chocolate tastes yummy, even when it's cold.
So then, my little Tro-Tro, are you still grumpy?
No. And you will soon see a beautiful tower built by a Tro-Tro who has slept well. Boing! Boing! I really love playing football. It's great fun. And what's more, I'm really good at it.
What do you want, Tro-Tro?
Do you want to play football with me?
I've still got a lot of things to do, so not now, Tro-Tro.
Oh, that's That's a shame.
Well, why don't you go and ask Daddy?
Ah!
Oh?
Goal!
Ah, nice shot, Trotro.
Thanks, Daddy. Would you like to play football with me?
Not now, Trotro. I'm a little bit busy.
Oh, you too. Can I help you?
Of course. That's a great idea. Could you put the leaves in the wheelbarrow? Well, how about you ride your bike a little while I finish up here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hello, Lily. Do you want to come and play? 9, 10. Huh?
No, not now, because I'm in the middle of counting up to 100. 12, 8, 12, 13.
Up to 100? Wow!
Not now, I told you. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
Oh.
23.
Not now,
20.
not now. But now is when I really want to play. Well, at least you've always got time for me, Teddy. Once upon a time, in Africa, there was a giraffe and a zebra. And they loved playing football. But one day, the ball ended up falling right next to a rabbit that was hiding in the grass. Huh?
Trotro?
Huh? Yes?
I finished counting now. Do you want to come and play?
Not now. As you can see, I'm a little busy.
Oh.
So the rabbit kicked the ball really, really hard.
Trotro?
Trotro. Oh,
What about if we all have a game of football?
Sorry, not now, maybe later. I'm already busy.
Shh! Mummy's still sleeping. You mustn't make any noise.
Oh.
Good. That's better. Now, why don't you play a nice quiet game in your room?
Okay, Daddy. A quiet game. So no drum, nor the ball, nor my roller skates. Everything I like to do makes a noise. Ah! Now that is a quiet game. Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Make way for the train! Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Ah. Oh,
Shh, Trotro. You know Mummy wanted a bit of a lie-in today.
was I making noise?
Yes.
The last one. Oh! Ah. Walking and walking. Trotting and trotting. Galloping, 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 galloping.
Shh, Trotro.
Is that still making noise?
Yes, it is.
But everything I like to do makes a noise. I could play going to sleep. That's a quiet game. But it's a bit boring. Now that's not too noisy. I am a monster.
Oh, you scared me, Tro-Tro.
Shush, Daddy, you're making too much noise. You'll wake up Mummy.
It's raining too much. We can't play outside.
Maybe if we both say, stop raining at the same time, it will stop raining. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop raining! That hasn't worked.
You two may need to think of another plan.
It's raining and we don't know what to play. Well, you could play at Guess the Animal, couldn't you?
What is Guess the Animal?
I pretend to be an animal and you have to guess which one.
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
A chicken!
Yes, that's right. Now you carry on playing while I go and get a nice tea for you.
I'll start then.
You're a frog.
That's right, your turn.
Quack, 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 quack.
Easy peasy. It's a duck. My turn. Meow, 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 meow.
Hey, I know, you're a cat.
Yes, and seeing as I am, I'm going to eat you, little duck.
I'm not a duck anymore. I'm a big dog. Woof, 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 woof.
You can't catch me now, big dog, because now I'm a horse. Ta-da, ta-da-da-da. Yay, yay.
Yes, I can, because now I'm a wolf.
Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da.
Grr. And I'm a daddy bear who'd really like to read his paper in peace and quiet.
Well, even if the wolf catches me, I'm not afraid of anything because now I'm a tiger!
Well, you can't do anything to me. I'm strong. I'm an elephant. Bum, 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 bum.
Well, I'm an elephant tiger!
But there's no such thing as an elephant tiger. It doesn't
It
exist.
does exist because I just invented it just now.
Tea is ready, kids. There you are, boys. I've made you some nice little treats to eat.
But we don't want little bits of food. We want big things to eat because we are big elephants, aren't we, Bobo?
Yes, that's right. Even if Tro-Tro is an elephant tiger.
I hope Lily gets here soon. Hello, Tro-Tro. Come on, Lily. I know what we're going to play. We're going to play hide and seek, and you're on it first. You count up to 10, and no cheating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a good place to
7,
hide.
8, 9, 10. Coming ready or not? I can see your ears. You're behind the armchair.
Oh. Oh, well, let's do it again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
She'll never find me over here.
8, 9, 10. Coming. Ready or not? I can see your feet, Tro-Tro. You're behind the curtain.
Oh, no. One more time, Lily.
1, 2, 3.
Right, she'll never find me in here.
Maybe over this way. Tro-Tro, I've got you. I can still see your ears.
Oh, you're far too good at this, Lily. Oh, please, Lily. Just one more go.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
No, that's far too easy.
So, where can he be then? Oh. I really don't know where he's hiding this time. Oh well, never mind. I'm going to lose.
Yippee! I won!
I can't see you, Tro-Tro, but I can hear you. You're inside.
Right, let's play tag.
Great,
Oh.
you're it.
I'm going to catch you.
Tro-Tro, can you pass me the red crayon, please?
No, I can't. I need it.
Well, pass me the yellow one.
No, I'm using that one as well.
Right, pass me any crayon that you don't need then.
No, they're my crayons. I need them for my drawing. You'll have to play with something else, Lily. No, Lily! Don't touch my lorry. It's fragile. You might break it. No, not that one. That's my favourite. I'm reading it now. No! Not my trumpet! Huh? Lily! Oh, give me back my plane!
Here, and take your ball too. Well done, well done. You've dropped all your toys.
They are my toys.
Well, I'll just play with my toys then. Whee!
Lily, will you lend me your skates?
Oh no, I'm having too much fun.
Oh, Lily, can I have a go?
No, they're my skates.
I'll lend you all my crayons for colouring.
No, I don't want to draw anymore.
Here, I'll lend you these too.
No, they're not as much fun as my skates.
I know. I'll lend you my lorry and my trumpet so you can sound the horn.
Okay. Make way for my lorry.
Wow, sharing toys is much more fun.